Man, do you see what I got on? I got on a daggone jacket because it's back cold again. It's like in the 40 degrees or something like that. But besides all that, what's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Money. I'm back with another daggone video, man. I'm freezing cold right now. Well, just chilly. I don't want to be chilly. I want to be warm. Daggone Maryland weather, freaking out. It was about like, what, 35 degrees at night? It was cold as a mud. Had to turn the heat on and stuff. Like, man, come on, bro. All right, but y'all see Black Beauty? She is lowered. I'm about to go get some more stuff done to her. I'm singing like an old man. Singing like somebody off of what's that movie? Tangled, when they was singing all crazy and stuff like that. Man, don't she sit? Man, she's sitting pretty. But yeah, she about to get some stuff done to her, man, today. All right, so y'all just stay tuned. I'm about to do some errands, about to pick up some things, knock things out, man. About to head over to my man Jason's house, and if you know my man Jason, you already know what he's great at, what the qualities that he does, you know. So we about to head over there. But of course, I ain't started the car yet, so let's go ahead and get that cold start. Come on now, don't set me up. There you go, girl. Hit it. Yes, sir. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Go ahead and do it. Like, comment, and you know, hit that. I think you already hit the subscribe button if you already did it, man. So I ain't even gotta tell you again, cause I know you did it, man. I know you Grizzly Gang. I know you 300 Gang. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this car. She need a washing too, but it's gonna rain tomorrow, so there's no point. I'll probably take her to like a what they call it, a touchless wash, just so she can be, you know, somewhat just sparkling and shining or whatever, man. Cause I ain't trying to be too dirty, you feel me? Yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm on the road. Gosh, man, I can't just have a good day, can I, bro? My daggone caliper cover fell off. I knew I should have checked it like when I got it done, but this one is good. I'm gonna make sure it's pushed on there, you know. But this one fell off. Dang, bro, I can't. Man, I just can't have a good day, can I, man? It was going so good. I hate like when my car is off, like when everything is not in place of what it needs to be. That's why I need the daggone I just need I need the 6-piston, or I need the 4-piston Brembos. I'm a little mad right now, but look, I'm over dangerous. Man, I'm telling y'all, bro, that's why I need the 4 or 6-piston Brembos, bro. So I ain't gotta worry about that. We got Fanego. They good, don't get me wrong. I don't know, man. Pissed me off a little bit. I'm about to hit them up. I got warranty on these joints, so I'm gonna make sure this side don't fall off too. You know? I need this joint shipped ASAP. I hate when my car is non-proportion, bro. I about to kill him at the car show this weekend too. You know, my car lowered, you know, and then something gotta happen, man. See, it's always something in the car world, I'm telling you, bro. Always something. And I like my car, I just like it to look evenly, like, all right, this is the way I did it, this is how I'm gonna have it. Bro, it was just on there, like when I pulled away, and I mean, I'm doing my errands and stuff like that. All right, man, I'll see y'all when I get to Jason's house. Bro, another thing happened today. So driving and went through like construction and stuff like that. Look at Black Beauty. She has never been this dirty. I lied to you not. She's never been this dirty. I never get it this dirty. But I had to drive through it because it was construction. They was doing some road work. Look at this. She is black and brown. Oh, it's horrible. Like, you don't see it. Like, maybe if I step back like that, like, look, I never have dirt back there. I don't keep my car dirty. Like, I had to drive through it. So I'm at this touchless wash just to get her done. Dude, the front is horrible. You see all the spots? She's like a daggone Dalmatian right now, reverse Dalmatian. Yo, I'm having this is not my day, bro. Bird scat on the thing. My caliper cover fell off. I just hit the CCI caliper cover so I can get a replacement. Bro, this is not my day. Hey man, y'all need to subscribe, man. I'm having a bad day, man. Y'all subscribe, y'all give me some what bunches, what, 4,000 subscribers, man. I'm be a happy camper right now. But right now, I'm a little pissed, man. A little irritated. This line long, everything. Look how long the line is in the back. Hey, bro, I'll be at Jason's house in a few. All right, y'all. So I'm here at Jason's house. He already starting to do the work, man. We came up with an idea. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and tell y'all. If y'all already know, if y'all see this, the PACER 300. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see. Hopefully y'all can see it. Let's see. All right, you see the PACER 300 with the Hemi on the back? That's what I'm gonna do it. So it's gonna be the matte orange or the satin orange. I mean satin black with the orange stripe. I'm gonna put 345 because it's a Hemi, and then I'm gonna have the Hemi back here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna have the PACER look of the 300. I don't know if I probably got the only PACER look one in the world right now of the new 300. Yeah, I'm changing the game, man. So it's 300 gang. Dang, Jason, you did it perfectly. How you do that? Dude, that's so sick. See, more details, you know, better everything. Detail matters. It really matters, man. So I'm about to hook that chain up. Dude has an eye for stuff, man, because I don't even know. He did it so fast. He did it real fast. Like he just has an eye for it. So here's a better picture of how it's gonna look. So just imagine with the black and the orange. I'm gonna have 345 right here, and then the Hemi in the back. So it's gonna be different, but is anybody else gonna have it? I don't know. Probably not over here. So hey, y'all. All right, just the finishing result, y'all. Ooh. What it say? What it say? Of course, you know, I got the Hemi, the 345. Go back here. They got the Hemi and matte back. You know, little details what I like, bro. Of course, you know, that's what I got that, y'all. Got the Grizzly Marty back here so everybody can subscribe to the channel. You know? Huh? Come in the grass? Okay, I'll be in the grass. Yeah. How y'all like it, man? Y'all tell me what y'all think. So when you see it on the side, look like that. Yeah, real aggressive, man. Got the 3. I love that. I love that number, the 345. I gotta get these changed. This ain't kind of this color or whatever. I'm gonna just take it to my man at East Coast Hydrographic and go ahead and get it dipped like this. This is way better. I don't know why that one look great like that. That's that eBay stuff. So you gotta take it to your friend, man. He'll hook you up, you know. So yeah, I gotta get that changed ASAP. It over. I'm gonna see how I take these off so I can take them too. Yeah, man. So I'll be right back to y'all. I'm gonna show y'all like everything, like a full walk around of the car and everything. So she low now too. Yeah. I'm feeling invisible. Oh, I don't want to show y'all on this side because the caliper cover is gone. I can't show y'all on that side. Heck to the no, bro. Man, I got banger after banger right now, y'all. Come on, man. Let me go ahead and turn this camera on because I'm telling y'all the car is so lit right now. I told y'all I was doing the PACER thing and y'all saw it, but it looks so much better in person. I'm spinning everything because I'm so excited. Look at this daggone car, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Ooh, the song playing. I'm feeling invisible. Let me see. Is it playing? I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm just playing just 2 seconds of that jig. Ooh, I'm telling you, from the lowering kit to the daggone PACER like style type little pinstripe with the Hemi on the back of that thing, boy. Of course, you know I got a 345. Got a shout out to the RTs, to the Hemi people, man. I ain't got a 392, but I got a 345 underneath the hood, and it sound really good. I'm telling you. You know I got this stupid missing caliper cover right now, but oh, I'm out of breath. Hold on. Asthma kicking in. I'm too excited right now, bro. Dude, like when you see this car, you know, you're gonna be like, dang, dude hooked them up. Of course, you know, I gotta put my advertisement and stuff back on it. Grizzly Marty in the back of the joint, man. 300 gang. Come on, man. Gotta advertise. Gotta always, you know, shout out to everybody that subscribe to this channel. Always doing these type joints, bro. So yeah, look at her, y'all. Ain't Black Beauty looking good? Ain't she looking good? I'm really excited right now. You see my vocals up here and everything, a little chest poked out, feeling fresh too. Got the Rocco's Modern Line socks, you feel me? All right, so yeah, it's time to get her waxed, time to get her clean and detailed. When that caliper cover come, I gotta get that dirt from out of it. But she looking good, bro. She is looking good. Grizzly Marty everywhere. I'm gonna change this because it's the only thing that's kind of off. It's kind of like a lighter orange. Everything is like a darker orange, so I gotta get it back darker orange. That's the only thing, but everything else is looking really legit. That joint kind of light too because that's Mopar Legacy. I'm gonna see if I can get this darker too. But other than that, bro, Black Beauty looking good in this black and orange with the stripes. Ooh. Hey man, I see y'all on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel because I'm coming out with these bangers every single daggone day for y'all, man. Y'all can't tell me I ain't got the hardest 300 right now. I'm telling y'all, bro. I told y'all I was gonna have one of the hardest 300s around. Yeah, it still got the engine, but look at the outside, bro. You tell me I got one of the world's first. I got the world's first PACER type style in the USA right now. I don't see nobody else that has this type style in the USA right now. Everything is on the outside because I'm trying to make it to the SRT, but I'm gonna have the Pro Charge. It's not gonna be the SRT engine underneath it. And then hopefully if I get bigger, I can put the Hellcat engine. Man, I'm telling you all my secrets right now. I ain't trying to tell you everything. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Bro, look at this jank. I'm trying to put my Mazda back like this. Have her slam with those rims on it, jank. That's a little Volkswagen jank. Get out the way, car. That jank's sick. I see you, big dog. Sneak peek. See y'all on the next one, man. Subscribe. Oh yeah.